Welcome to AI Beginner Academy, the friendly, simple way to start your AI journey. And welcome to AI Made Simple, your first steps in artificial intelligence, your easy, plain English introduction to what AI really is and what it can do for you. In this course, you'll learn the essentials of artificial intelligence without tech jargon, without coding, and without feeling overwhelmed. You'll discover what AI is, how it works, and exactly how people are using it in everyday life, business, creativity, and more. It's clear, practical, and designed for absolute beginners. You'll also get the AI Beginner Toolkit, a full collection of downloadable guides, checklists, visual mind maps, infographics, editable PowerPoints, and even audio lessons you can learn from on the go. And when you enroll, you get access to the AI Beginner Community, a friendly space where you can ask questions, share progress, get encouragement, and learn alongside others just like you. Ready to explore? You can even start with a free preview. Let's begin your AI journey the simple, welcoming way.